Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our question for today is, how to hide live chat in Premiere and live stream? This question is from Annex Video Blogs. Annex, thank you for your question, and I hope the instruction of this video is clear enough for you. So this is Annex Video Blogs question. So here are the steps to hide live chat. First, I will show you where is the live chat. So as you can see, the finger is pointing the live chat. So we will hide this one now. The first step is on YouTube Studio, under the dashboard, select content and choose any Premiere or live stream you want to hide the chat. Number 2, after you select a video, press the edit icon. Number 3, scroll down and look for allow live chat to replay. Number 4, click or take the blue check icon on it by tapping allow live chat to replay. And number 5, click save. So let's check if the live chat is hidden. So we will go to the video, and now you can see that the live chat has been disabled in this Premiere as the finger is pointing on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?